Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Connie's cooking channel. Tonight we're going to make something very quick and easy. We're going to make a one-pot spaghetti. I have the spaghetti at the very top. We're going to use Hunt's. Now, of course, you can use any tomato-based sauce that you would like. I'm using the 4 cheese and the garlic and herbs. We got our minced garlic and a 1/3 cup of onions that's already been chopped up. We're only going to use about a teaspoon of the minced garlic, and I'm going to add in some Italian seasoning. So over here, we already started browning about 1.5 pounds of our ground beef. I added in the onions and the minced garlic. I'm gonna let this saute down until our onions are soft. And then we're gonna drain this liquid, which is the fat from the ground beef. And we are going to boil our noodles while this is still simmering on number 2. So I'll see you back shortly. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I drained the fat or the oil off of the ground beef. I'm going to add in the 4 cheese first. And 2 of these cans should be sufficient. Of course, my cat is always in the background crying or talking about something unknowns to me. It's too cold to go outside, so you probably just hear her in the background crying, talking about nothing. Now I have boiled the water for the noodles. And we're just going to let this simmer until our noodles are done, and then we're going to be ready to add in our noodles. And this will be a wrap. Of course, if you wanted to use more ground beef, you may. Every time I make spaghetti or chili, as we call it back home, it's always different. If you haven't checked out my Skyline chili or Cincinnati style chili, I'll post that link at the end of the video. So you can see, I just added Italian seasoning, guys. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper as well. And perhaps I'll add a little bit of crushed red peppers with this. Need to season this a tad bit, right? I know I don't hardly use no salt, so. Some people put sugar in their spaghetti. So if that's what you like to do, have at it. I know a couple of my relatives love sugar in their spaghetti, so we're just gonna add salt and pepper and Italian seasoning to this. And let me find my crushed red peppers. Yeah, I know I like a little kick to some of my foods. Of course, this is all optional, y'all, okay? You don't want to use the crushed red peppers, you don't have to. Also, if you wanted to cook it while the ground beef was sauteing with the onions, you could have done that as well. So we're just going to let this simmer, and then we'll be back to finish it, okay? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this has been simmering. Our noodles are done, so we're ready to pour that in there. I probably use about 3/4 of the box for the noodles. Depends on how you want your spaghetti. And I did break my spaghetti in half. I don't know, that's a habit for me when I boil spaghettis. And also, as a reminder, if you do not know, make sure you add about a teaspoon of vegetable oil so your noodles will not stick as they're boiling, okay? We're just going to mix this up together, get our noodles separated in here, and keep the fire on low. And you don't want to overcook your noodles because they're going to finish cooking inside this pot here. I probably could have used the whole entire box, but this will do for today. Like I said, it depends on how you like your spaghetti. Some people like spaghetti like this. Some people like it thicker. Depends on where you're living. Everybody eats spaghetti and chili differently. So add as little or as much noodles as you like. It's gonna thicken up, so don't be alarmed. So that's how it's looking thus far. Now we're gonna top it with some cheese when I plate it up for you. And let me give it a taste. So we make sure we have our flavors in there that we need. It's seasoned good, y'all. Oh, I love the crushed red peppers in there. This is gonna be delicious. As soon as this gets simmering for another like 5 to 7 minutes, I'm gonna come back and plate it up for you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's been about 5 minutes. And give it a stir. Hey, in the comment section, let me know how you normally cook your spaghetti. Because where I'm from, we call, this would be chili. Seriously, I'm serious. From where I'm from, this right here we call chili. And we grew up eating our chili just like this. Some people add beans to theirs. You may do that as well. There's so many options. Just let me know how you eat your spaghetti and what you normally include in it, such as sugar or any other ingredients that I have not used tonight. Let me know if you make your sauce from scratch. See how all that came together and that liquid that we saw earlier basically evaporated. So we're going to plate this up for you. Of course, we're going to top it with some cheese. You can have some crackers with it if you like. Some people use garlic bread with it. Leave that comment below too. I can tell you, y'all, this is going to be delicious. Yes, indeedy. Yes, indeedy. Y'all ready to pig out? Doesn't that look delicious? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, does this not look good? I cut a piece of French bread, added it to the side, add some cheese. Of course, you can use whatever cheese you like. I'm using cheddar with mine. And add as little or as much as you like. It is your spaghetti or chili. And y'all know, I gotta add me some hot sauce, right? Nothing like red hot. Of course, you don't like spicy foods. Don't do it, y'all. Don't do it. I know I'm pigging out. It's game day. It's Saturday. And instead of making wings, we are eating spaghetti because it's cold outside. I hope you're having a great day. I really do. Okay, my college students out there, as myself, another quick and easy meal for you to do. It's going to get cold pretty soon. You may not want to go outside, so let's sample this. You get a bite? What do you think? Y'all, this hits the spot. You hear me? This hits the spot. Y'all know I like to pig out. So I'll be going back to chicken recipes next week. In fact, I'll be making some chicken and noodle soup here shortly. I just purchased an Instant Pot, so I'll be trying some soup in it. I just want you to get another bite, y'all. This is so yummy. Now, if you haven't done so already, please like the video. Share the video with your friends and family. Don't forget to leave all your comments below about how you like your chili, how you like your spaghetti, and what you eat with it, whether you use sugar with it or not. And then hit my subscribe button at the top left corner where you see my photo and the bell next to it, so you'll be notified on my next upload. So until then, enjoy the remainder of your day. God bless you, and I'll see you soon.